Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids for Magic World. Today our topic is essay on Developed India, Developed Railways in English. Introduction. India's railway system stands as a symbol of its progress, connecting people, cultures, and economies across vast distances. A developed railway network is pivotal to the nation's growth, serving as a lifeline for both urban and rural populations. This essay delves into the significance of a developed railway system in India and how it contributes to the country's overall development. Historical perspective. The first train journey took place in 1853 from Mumbai to Thane. Since then, the India's railway has evolved into one of the world's largest railway network covering extensive geographical terrain and serving millions daily. Over the years, India's railway system has undergone significant modernization and expansion, catering to diverse transportation needs. Connectivity and accessibility. A developed railway system enhances connectivity and accessibility, bridging the gap between regions and fostering socio-economic integration. It enables seamless travel for passengers and facilitates the movement of goods and services across the country. Tourism and heritage. India's railways are intertwined with its rich cultural heritage and offer a unique travel experience for tourists. Iconic train journeys such as the Palace on Wheels and the Darjeeling Himalaya Railway attract travelers from around the world, showcasing India's diverse landscape and architectural marvels. Economic impact. The economic significance of a developed railway network cannot be overstated. Railways plays a pivotal role in facilitating trade and commerce by transporting goods efficiently and cost effectively. Industries rely on railways for the shipment of finished products and commodities, contributing to supply chain management and industrial growth. Environmental sustainability. In an era marked by environmental consciousness, railways emerge as a sustainable mode of transportation, offering a greener alternative to road and air travel. Electric train reduce carbon emissions and contribute to efforts aimed at combating climate change. As India strives towards achieving environmental sustainability, investing in railway electrification and renewable energy initiative is paramount to reducing the carbon footprints of transportation infrastructure. Technological advancement. The integration of technology has revolutionized India's railway sector, enhancing operational efficiency, safety, and passenger experience. From digital ticketing system to real-time tracking mechanism, technology-driven solutions streamline railway operations and improve service delivery. Furthermore, innovations such as high-speed train and dedicated freight corridors bolster the capacity and performance of India's railway network, positioning it for further growth and expansion. Challenges and opportunities. Despite its achievement, India's railway system faces numerous challenges including infrastructural constraints, congestion, and safety concerns. Addressing these challenges requires concerns effort from policymakers, stakeholders, and the public. Moreover, leveraging emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and predictive analytics can optimize railways operation, enhance safety protocols, and improve passengers' experience. Collaborative partnership with the private sector can also unlock new avenues for innovation and investment, driving the modernization agenda forward. In conclusion, a developed railway system is integral to India's journey towards progress and prosperity. It serves as a catalyst for economic growth, social cohesion, and environmental sustainability. By harnessing the transformative potential of its railway, India can chart a course towards a more inclusive, connected, and sustainable future. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share. Bye, friends.